Using removable storage devices. Removable storage devices are used to store and transfer data from one computer to another. Optical disc, USB flash drives, and external hard disks are some of the popular examples of the removable storage devices. Optical discs like CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray require an optical disk drive to connect to the computer. On the other hand, USB flash drives like pen drive, memory card, and external hard disks are connected through USB connector. Follow the given steps to use pen drive. Step 1. Attach your pen drive to the USB port of your computer. The autoplay dialog box will appear automatically. Step 2. Click on the Open folder to view Files option. The File Explorer window will appear displaying all the files of the pen drive. Step 3. Click on the file or folder which you want to copy.
Step 4. Right-click and select the Copy option or press Ctrl and C on the keyboard.
Step 5. Browse the location where you want to copy the file or folder in the computer.
Step 6. Again, right-click and from the context menu select the Paste option or press Ctrl and V on the keyboard. The selected files or folders will be copied from pen drive to your computer.
Step 7. Click on the arrow button present in the notification area on the taskbar and click on the pen drive icon. Step 8. Click on Eject option to safely remove the pen drive from the computer.